Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the paper 3 speaking exam, which is one of the most crucial exam and student face lot of difficulties in understanding the structure of the test. So now let's look at the structure of this test straight away. This is the structure of the paper 3 speaking exam. So firstly, you have a 10 minutes of preparation time. If you look at the task preparation time, so 10 minutes of preparation time where you will get a role play card, which I'm going to show you shortly. After a role play is done for approximately 2 minutes, the teacher is going to ask you the questions on a specific topic, which will be from topic area A or B. Then topic conversation 2 again for 4 minutes, where again the questions will be asked from the topic area C, D or E, which is mentioned in your textbook. If not, you can download the complete syllabus guide from the link below where all the topic areas are mentioned. Now let's look at the mark scheme first. So this is the mark scheme for the complete test. The role play is for 10 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. So 2 marks per response. And then topic conversation 1 and 2 together, which is for 15 marks for communication, and then topic conversations 1 and 2 together, 15 marks for quality of language. So this paper is of 40 marks, remember. Now let's look at the role play card you are going to get at the beginning of the exam. So this is the style of the role play card. This is your student copy you are going to get, where on top you're the role, which means the role play scenario is given to you. In this scenario, teacher is always the seller, is a salesman of a certain shop, right? Of a certain company, and then you are going to always play the role of the buyer. Fine. And then it's mentioned, right? For example, in this it's mentioned, vous êtes en vacances en France, vous achetez des gâteaux dans une pâtisserie, vous parlez avec le pâtissier. You yourself is the candidate, it's written vous-même. Then professor is the pâtissier, which means the pastry shop owner. The second part which is mentioned, which is on conversations. So conversation 1 and 2, where no information is given. On the spot, the teacher is going to speak the theme name, will ask you the 5 questions. Just look at this. These are the teacher notes. Basically, teacher has all this already given by the Cambridge. So teacher doesn't have any choice as such to ask the questions. These questions are being given to the teacher by the Cambridge. You look at the first part, which is candidate card 1, and this is the role play, and these are the 5 questions the teacher has in hand. You have to just give the straight answers, no long answers. Anyway, you can check my coming video where I'm going to talk about only role play, how to handle the role plays. Then the topic 1 or topic 2, both the topics, right? Each topic should be for at least 4 minutes. So always the answers should be long enough. There are 5 questions. It means you need to plan accordingly. In case you take 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes, then teacher has other questions to ask you. So this is how the exam goes for the paper 3 speaking. In few days, in the coming video, I'm going to talk about the details of various samples, for example, how the exam is conducted. So please keep looking for the notifications you get soon, because I'm working on it and I'll get back to you soon. Au revoir, take care, good luck. Any doubts, you can always welcome to send me an email. The email address is given in the description below. Take care guys, and do subscribe and do like it. Bye, take care.